The Congress protests against the centre's farm laws are continuing. Farmers say that farmers are under attack by the government and that the new laws will only benefit corporates. So this is Congress upping the ante as far as the farm laws are concerned. Protests being held at this point in time in the national capital, which seem to have gone a little bit out of control at this point. And those are the visuals on your screens of what's been happening. Remember, this is all right. Let me in fact go across to Gurpreet, who's joining us for more details. Gurpreet, what's the latest that you can tell us that's happening?
Well, yes, we are reporting from Chandigarh and we can see the live pictures. So I'll request my Vijay to show that all the Congress leaders, including the senior cabinet minister, they are holding the protest here. So heavy deployment have been made here. So we can see from the pictures that even the water cannon has already been stationed here. Heavy force have been deployed and at this point of time they have been stopped here and they are not allowing to cross over the barricade. What the Congress leaders, they wanted to go to Raj Bhavan, they want to go and Gherao Raj Bhavan, and the main agenda, the single line agenda, they say that at this point of time the farmers have been suffering for the last so many days. They want to pressurize the central government that the government should immediately repeal all the laws, agriculture laws, for which that they have been continuing and always pushing for the farmers, that these are the anti-farmers law. And Punjab was the first state who had taken initiative and they have already brought a bill in Vidhan Sabha, and after passing from Vidhan Sabha, they have already submitted that bill to the Punjab governor for further approval. But at the same time, today we can see that all the senior cabinet leaders as well as the Congress leaders, they are already sitting here. They are raising slogans against the government by
All right, we seem to be losing that line with Gurpreet at this point in time. But so Congress protests both going on in Delhi and Chandigarh. Gurpreet's back with us. Yes, Gurpreet, please go ahead.
time that the heavy force have been deployed here because the police say that they will not be allowed to cross over the barricade to move towards Raj Bhavan because section 144 have already been, and that you can see that all the proper arrangements have been made by the police. At the same time that all the senior Congress leaders, including the cabinet minister, they are sitting on the protest. They are raising slogans against the government by saying that why
All right, those are details as far as what's happening in Chandigarh and Delhi. Both are concerned. Protests going on by the Congress at this point. Alok joining us at this point in time from Delhi. Alok, what can you tell us what's happening in Delhi?
See, at one side, there is meeting going on between the farmers and the central government ministers. But on the other side, Congress is protesting. It's not far, but Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi and other senior leaders are also there who are leading this protest. They want to give the memorandum to Lieutenant Governor regarding this farm law. I remember a few days ago, Rahul Gandhi and two other senior leaders went to President of India. They gave the memorandum against this farm law. Now they are again going to give the memorandum to the Lieutenant Governor. So definitely Congress is trying to pitch and trying to show the solidarity towards the farmers' protest that is going on. In fact, a few hours before, Rahul Gandhi also tweeted in the favor of the protest that is going on in the borders of the national capital. But right now, the protest is going on. There is security also beefed up. Large number of police force are also deployed. Little bit what we are learning from the ground. Little bit scuffles, manhandling is also happening. But as of now, nobody has been detained, but they have been stopped at one place. They are not allowed to move further. There is a possibility that few representatives from the Congress side they will be allowed to meet the Lieutenant Governor. But right now, the protest is going on. Little bit drama is happening. But on the other side, the meeting between the farmers and the union leaders are also going on.
Yes, absolutely, Alok. In fact, just stay with us on the line. We'll just tell our viewers about what's happening because the farmer leaders and centre are currently holding this 10th round of talks at Delhi's Vigyan Bhavan. This is the first time both sides are holding talks after the Supreme Court stayed the implementation of the 3 contentious farm laws. The centre has remained adamant on not repealing the laws. Farmers have also stayed firm on their demand. Alok, at this point in time, both sides have been adamant and firm on their demand, and also the fact, as far as the committee is concerned, one panel member has recused himself.
As far as this meeting is concerned, it is crucial meeting because this is the 10th round of talks that is going on. Although the farmers were not much hopeful when they went in the Vigyan Bhavan. But what we are learning that the central government, they have again moved a proposal before the farmers, and they have said that they can do more amendments in these 3 farm laws. Remember, there are 9 amendments the government has already proposed, but now the government is saying that they can amend more things in these laws. But the farmers are adamant completely that they want the repealing of these 3 laws. In fact, what we are seeing in front of us, the food is also going inside. This is the food where usually the farmers take. Last time they did not take. They showed the anger before the government that why the government is not listening to their demands. That's why they did not have their lunch last time. But this time, whether they will take the lunch or not, that will be very interesting to see. But internal, what we are learning that the meeting is going on. There was the minister, that is Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar. He started speaking initially, and he also proposed several more amendments in these laws. But the farmers are completely adamant at this point in time.
All right, Alok, thank you so much for joining us with those details.